Hey guys, my name's Anthony DePino with New Level Digital. Thanks for taking the time to check out my gig. I really appreciate it. If you're looking for somebody to build your SquareSpace website, then you've come to the right place. Now, as you can see, there are thousands of people on Fiverr who build websites. So why should you pick me? Well, one, I'm based in the US, so I'm available for phone or Zoom calls to fully understand your project, goals, and what you're trying to accomplish. I'm also available to answer any questions you may have during the process. Two, I have over 10 years of experience in website design and digital marketing. So whether you need a brand new website, your current website's out of date, or you have any questions about digital marketing and how to get out there, I can help. Check out my website, newleveldigital.com, to see some of the past projects I've completed and read reviews from happy clients. And three, unlike a lot of other digital marketers out there, I actually take the time to listen to my clients, fully understand their needs and meet them where they are. So no matter your budget, whether you know exactly what you want or you have no clue, whether you have content or you need me to write it, whether you have photos or you need me to make them for you, I can definitely help. If you think I might be the right person for your project, shoot me a message. I'd love to hear from you.